Welcome to our channel of reviews of essential appliances for your kitchen. Today, we're going to talk about this incredible Cuisinart Air Fryer plus Convection toaster oven. But first, don't forget to subscribe to the channel to stay up to date with all the news. Leave your like to help us grow, and watch until the end to check out all the details of this in-depth review. To make things easier, we've left the secure link to the website that sells this Cuisinart Air Fryer plus Convection toaster oven in the description. The Cuisinart Air Fryer plus Convection toaster oven, model TOA 70, is a versatile kitchen appliance that combines multiple cooking functions into one compact unit. This premium 1800-watt toaster oven not only features an air fry setting but also offers toast, convection bake, convection broil, grill, and warming functions, making it a highly adaptable tool for any cooking task. The wide temperature range from warm to 450 degrees Fahrenheit allows for precise cooking control. With a large capacity, this oven can handle a variety of cooking tasks. It can toast up to 6 slices of bread, air fry up to 3 pounds of chicken wings, bake a 12-inch pizza, or roast a 4-pound chicken. This makes it ideal for both small and large meals, catering to different family sizes and meal requirements. The superior operation of this Cuisinart model includes an adjustable temperature dial, a 60-minute timer with auto-shutoff, and a toast shade selector, ensuring that your meals are cooked to perfection every time. The inclusion of an oven light, oven rack, baking pan, air fry basket, and a dual-sided grill and griddle plate adds to its versatility and convenience. The non-stick easy clean interior simplifies cleanup, making it hassle-free. Positive points. Versatility. The 8-in-1 functionality covers a wide range of cooking methods, making it a multifunctional kitchen appliance. Capacity. Large enough to handle substantial meals, ideal for families or those who entertain frequently. Performance. The powerful 1800-watt output and adjustable settings provide excellent cooking performance. Ease of use. The intuitive controls, auto-shutoff feature, and easy clean interior make it user-friendly. Additional accessories. Comes with essential accessories like a baking pan, air fry basket, and dual-sided grill and griddle plate. Negative points. Size. While the large capacity is beneficial, the unit itself is relatively bulky and may take up significant counter space. Learning curve. With so many functions, it might take some time for new users to become fully comfortable with all its features. Why you should buy it. The Cuisinart Air Fryer plus Convection toaster oven is perfect for those who want a versatile, all-in-one kitchen appliance. Its wide range of cooking functions means you can prepare virtually any meal with ease, making it a valuable addition to any kitchen. The large capacity is ideal for families or those who enjoy hosting gatherings, and the ease of use and cleaning adds to its appeal. If you're looking for an appliance that can do it all, this Cuisinart model is an excellent choice. Why you should not buy it. If you have limited counter space or prefer simpler, more straightforward appliances, the size and complexity of this unit might be a drawback. Additionally, if you primarily need an appliance for single-function use, such as just toasting or baking, a more specialized, smaller appliance might be more appropriate. Leave your thoughts on this Cuisinart Air Fryer plus Convection toaster oven in the comments, and if you have any questions, write to me so I can answer them. If you've watched this far, don't forget to leave your like, subscribe to the channel, and activate the bell so you don't miss any new videos.